Good news is, dear darling Aries, that the worst is over. As a tarot card reader with 20 years of experience, I can tell you that new things are going to start. New karma is going to be starting, dear darling Aries. Okay. Now we're going to be talking about your love life a little bit later, and there's going to be things that are going to be happening in your love life. But we will talk about your career first. As your career is concerned, you feel like starting something new. Okay? You are gathering information about it. You are reading and reading and reading about everything. It can be own new business of some. It can also be the licenses that you need, how to be more social media to there so that you can be better than what you were and you can make things happen. Dear Aries, this is destiny for this week. Reading a lot, okay, and talking also. By the way, dear darling Aries, see that there are some ego-related unnecessary clashes that are going to get over by the end of this week, huh? It's just in put in the open, and everybody kind of confused, like who is actually telling the truth. So maybe because of that, some sort of maybe a rumor or something in our office space or something which just irritated you a little bit extra, okay? Or maybe there are people around you who are not okay with you progressing in life. People can be jealous, and I know, dear darling Aries, but what can we do? The only thing we have to do is not be bothered by what anyone has to say and still continue doing what we have to do any which way. Okay, dear Aries. Now, a lot of revelations, a lot of mind power is like skyrocketing. Accept it, dear darling. Aries, claim this energy. All right. So, love life is coming really, really quickly. Someone has regrets, okay, and probably it's also you that you're feeling that maybe I could have handled the situation a little bit better. I could have managed to not be so aggressive or be more soft or more kinder towards the other person, and the other person is also thinking in a similar manner. A lot of revelations, a lot of knowledge about things, and when you again there's a little bit of lies in and around. So if you can refrain yourself from uh, you know not talking any lies, somehow it'll be good, dear darling Aries. Okay, you're waiting for that message from one particular person and it's just not coming and it's hurting you like crazy, but you are healing, dear darling Aries. So that's the good news. So the romance angels are telling me that you need to have faith in yourself, and you also need to trust the universe with everything, dear darling Aries. Okay, this situation is calling you to have faith. Whatever it is, have faith, dear darling Aries. Lucky colors for this week are only white and pink. Health is all right, could be better.